Green apple means हरा सेब. Apple means सेब. Pear means नाशपाती. Orange means संतरा. Lemon means नींबू. Banana means केला. Watermelon means तरबूज. Grapes means अंगूर. Strawberry means strawberry. Blueberry means नीलबदरी. Muskmelon means खरबूजा. Cherry means cherry. Peach means आडू. Mango means आम. Pineapple means ananas. Coconut means नारियल. Kiwi means kiwi. Tomato means tomato. Avocado means avocado. Like, share and subscribe.